Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are here to start second lesson from Iqra English book 1. Yesterday we have started our first unit, which is the alphabet sound, and in alphabet sound we have revised, in this unit we have revised single letter phonograms, and we have done an activity in which we have matched picture with initial sounds of the given pictures. Is that clear? I hope you have done that activity at your home and you have learned and revised the given lesson 5 times. So let's start our next activity and see on which page we are going to do our work today. Today we are going to do work on page number 10 and page number 11. So let's see what is the activity. So this is our today's activity in which we have to do, match sounds with picture. Yesterday we have done match pictures with sounds. So today we are going to start another activity in which we are going to match sounds with picture. Yes, we will say the sound first and after that we'll see which picture has the same sound and we will match them. Is that clear? So let's start our activity. So for today's matching I am going to use colors and you can use your lead pencil as well. So start this activity. The things which we will be in need, it will be scale, your colors and your lead pencil. Is that clear? So let's start this activity. Okay, look at the first sound. It's letter A. It has 3 sounds. A, O. So let's see कि ऐसे कौन सी पिक्चर मैच करेगी. It's baby and arrow. Arrow. So next one is B. Baby. Yes, we have done a matching of 2 objects, arrow, baby. So let's see the next letter, it has 2 sounds and mostly the words have first sound, so we are going to match with the first sound. So which picture or which object match with sound? Yes, it's coat. But no, it's not coat, it's jacket. So you have to be careful while you are doing matching. So this is jacket, this is not coat. So what is with k sound? Let's see once again. Yes, what's this? Cake. Let's match it. Okay, now let's read the next sound. D. And which object matches with D sound? Yes, it's duck. Duck. Yes, let's match it. Okay, now let's see the next sound. E, and we will see the words with E sound. Is there any object with E sound? Yes, it's here. Elbow. Elbow. Let's match it. So this is also done. Now let's move to the next sound. Flower. So let's match it. So next sound is J. And we are matching with the first sound, initial sound, glass. Glass. Yes, this object matched with this sound, glass. Now let's move to the next sound is. So let's see which object starts with sound. Yes, it's hat. hat. Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Next sound is I, and we are going to match with the first sound e. And S से कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट होगा? It will be, yes, ice cream. Ice cream. So let's match it. Ice cream. So this is done. Okay, now let's move to the next sound. J. J. So yes, your guess is right. J, jacket. J, jacket. J, jacket. So let's match it also. Okay, let's move to the next sound. K. Which object starts with K sound? Yes, it's key. K, key. K, key. Let's match it. Our next sound is L. L. L से कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट मैच करेगा? Okay, it's leaf. L, leaf. Let's match it. L, leaf. So now let's move to the last one. Yes, we have only one word, one alphabet and one picture. So that is moon. Moon. So let's match it also. As I've told you students, you can use your lead pencil as well. If you do not have color, so you can do this work with your lead pencil as well. Okay, so let's match it. So this page is done. We have done page number 10. Now let's go to the next page. Now we are going to start our work on page number 11. We are going to do work on page number 11. So let's start. It's the same activity. Match sound with pictures. So let's continue it. So first sound on this page is and which object match with sound? Yes, it's needle. 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 So initial sound in needle is Yes, next one is aw. And aw objects match with which object match with aw sound? Yes, it's very easy. Orange. Aw, orange. Alphabet O has 4 sound. Aw, O, O. Aw, O, U, A. And aw, orange. Next sound is P. Which object matches with P sound? Let's see. Yes, it's pillow. Pillow. P, pillow. P, pillow. Yes, our next sound is Q. Yes, Q. Let's match it. Next sound is R. R. Which object matches with this sound? R. Rain. R. Rain. Let's match it. R. Rain. So now let's have a look at the next sound. Yes. What's the next sound? S. Z. And we are going to match with the first sound. S. Which object matches with the first sound? Yes, it's a stamp. 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 Next sound is T. And which object matches with this sound? Yes, it's here towel. T. Towel. T. Towel. So let's move to the next sound. Yes, next alphabet we have is, yes, U, and it has three sounds. U, 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 U. So we are going to match with the first initial sound. And what is the initial sound? So let's see which object matches with a sound. Yes. Which object matches with a sound? Yes, it's here. Empire. Empire. So let's have a look at the next sound. Which object matches with sound? Was. Was. So let's match it. Next sound is wo. Wo. Yes, and which object matches with this sound? Wo. Watch. Wo. Watch. So next sound is ks. Ks. Which object matches with this sound? Yes, it's here. X-ray. X-ray. And it has three sound, and we have to match with the initial sound. X-ray. X-ray. Next sound is j. J. Initial sound. J. Yacht. J. Yacht. And Y has four sound. Y, A, I, E. And here we have J. Yacht. Let's match it. So now look at the last one. What's the last sound? Z. Z. And which object is left? Yes, it's here. Zebra. Z. Zebra. So let's match it also. Yes, our matching is done. We have matched sound with picture. So students, you also have to revise your single letter phonogram, and you have to practice it also, so that it will be easy for you to memorize it. Is that clear? You will revise your single letter phonogram time and again, and after that you will practice it. Is that clear? So let's do another small activity, and its name is ask and answer. Ask and answer. So what we are going to do, I'll ask the question and you have to give me answer. Is that clear? So let's start and see how we are going to do this activity. What is this? What is this? And you have to give me answer. Tomato. This is a tomato. In the same way, what is this? Nose. This is a nose. What is this? Spoon. This is a spoon. Spoon. What is this? Boy. This is a boy. This is a boy. Now let's look at the next one. What is this? Ring. This is a ring. This is a ring. What is this? Gate. This is a gate. This is a gate. What is this? This is a book. Book. This is a book. What is this? Bag. This is a bag. Bag. What is this? Sun. This is sun. Sun. What is this? Fish. This is a fish. This is a fish. So students, you also have to do the same activity. आप लोग अपने siblings के साथ भी activity कर सकते हैं. कोई एक आपसे question करेगा और दूसरा उसके answer देगा. In the same way आप लोग इसको revise भी कर सकते हैं और role play के ज़रिए भी कर सकते हैं. One will ask question and second will give the answer, and after that you can switch your role also. Okay, we'll meet inshallah in next lesson. What you have to do, you have to do the practice and you have to read the lesson for 5 times, and you have to do this activity at your home also. Is that clear? Okay, note down your diary. So this is your diary. Learn plus do, page 10, 11 and 12. Yes, we have done one activity from page number 12 from Iqra English book 1. So we'll meet inshallah in next lesson. Keep practicing and keep learning. Allah Hafiz.